A for apple. Apple means save. B for ball. Ball means game. C for cat. Cat means billy. D for dog. Dog means kutta. E for elephant. Elephant means hathi. F for fish. Fish माने मछली. G for girls. Girls माने लड़की. H for house. House means घर. I for ice cream. Ice cream माने ice cream. J for jug. Jug means jug. K for kite. Kite means patang. L for lamp. Lamp मतलब lamp. M for mango. Mango मतलब आम. N for nest. Nest means घोंसला. O for orange. Orange means संतरा. P for parrot. Pigeon माने कबूतर. Q for queen. Queen माने रानी. R for rose. Rose means गुलाब. S for sun. Sun मतलब सूरज. T for tiger. Tiger माने बाघ. U for umbrella. Umbrella माने छाता. V for violin. Violin का मतलब violin. W for watch. Watch माने घड़ी. X for X-ray. X-ray मतलब X-ray. Y for yacht. Yacht माने पानी का जहाज. Z for zebra. Zebra means zebra.